This is the fish we have to stop from getting into the Great Lakes.
Grass carp, one of 4 species of Asian carps, are invasive to North America and have established populations in some parts of the United States. Now, the grass carp invasion is on the doorstep of the Great Lakes.
I'm David Marson with Fisheries and Oceans Canada, and I'm a senior aquatic biologist. Canada and the United States are already strong partners working to protect the $7 billion Great Lakes fishery, but we need your help. If these fish become established in Canadian waters, they will have serious impacts on the Great Lakes and beyond. Grass carp eat up to 40% of their body weight in vegetation every day, which produces huge amounts of waste. This waste can lead to algae blooms that negatively impact water quality and pose a threat to human health and safety.
Their aggressive eating of aquatic vegetation would also have huge impacts on wetlands, which serve as habitat for our native fishes and birds. Our incredibly valuable recreational and commercial fisheries and other outdoor activities, like wildlife viewing, would be negatively affected. Culturally significant plants, like wild rice, are also at risk from grass carp.
Small numbers of grass carp have already been captured in the Great Lakes, which means we must act now to stop them from establishing. The key is early detection, finding the few fish that are here and removing them before they get the chance to reproduce.
To stop these fish, you have to know them. Grass carp are often confused with common carp.
So this is a juvenile grass carp, approximately 30 centimeters in length, but they do reach up to 1.5 meters in length. And while this guy's under 1 pound in weight, they do reach up to 90 pounds. Grass carp has a terminal mouth, which means it ends right at the end of its head. Not facing down, not facing up, but just right off the end. This fish does not have any barbels at the side of the mouth. The scales have a darkening on the back of the scale, which actually creates kind of a cross-hatch pattern on the side of the fish. Now, when most people observe these fish, they're going to see them from above. And how we distinguish between the common carp and the grass carp is with the common carp, the dorsal fin would start approximately where my thumb is here and run back to here, where it's much shorter with the grass carp. So the grass carp has the short dorsal fin, common carp has a long one. And that's the easiest way to really tell them apart when they're in the water. Our team takes every report seriously and we act upon it. We have a chance to make a difference here. There's only a few fish out there, and we want to get them early and get them out of the system. So every set of eyes on the water really helps this effort. Fisheries and Oceans Canada has an Asian Carp Program with an early detection focus, so we're out there with nets and equipment that are proven to be effective in capturing grass carp. If there's a report of a grass carp from the public, we will seek those fish out and try to remove them. Tips from the public are essential. The more people we have out there, the more eyes on the water, the better the chance we have of finding these fish.
To report a grass carp sighting or to find out more about Asian carps, visit asiancarp.ca.
If you see a grass carp, report it.